Hello and welcome to Quick Tips. In this video, I'll show you how you can use the website builder feature in GoHighLevel services. There are hundreds of templates that you can use to create the website for your clients. So apart from automations and funnels, you can offer the website design for your clients. You can create websites and you can sell these websites to your client. You can add automation on the website. For example, I have created this sample website. On this website, I have added the chat widget. So you can offer the chat widget on the website. I have got one contact form on the website. If someone fills up the form, it is going to send an automated email, SMS, or the voicemail to the customer. So I'll show you how you can create the workflows and how you can integrate the contact form on the website. So you can offer the complete package to the customer. These templates are very easy to customize. You can add your own content. If you want to delete some sections from the template, you can delete the sections. If you want to add more content, you can add more content. If you're not using website builder feature, you can start using website builder feature. You can create free website for each account in GoHighLevel services. Now, for those who do not know anything about GoHighLevel services, let me give you a brief introduction to the GoHighLevel services. This is one of the best all-in-one sales and marketing platform. If you are a business owner, you can use many features of GoHighLevel services. You can create website for your business and you can create automations, forms, surveys. I'll give you the link in the description box. If you want to visit this website, you can use my link. There is a 14 days free trial going on. If you want to try, you can sign up for the 14 days free trial using my link in the description box. I'll help you create the website as well as forms and automation for free if you sign up using my link in the description box. Let me show you the features. Now here you will see the list of features that you can use. You can use the CRM and pipeline, unlimited sales funnel, website builder, surveys, forms, email marketing, two-way SMS marketing, booking and appointments, workflow automations. GoHighLevel services will also give you mobile app. You can use the mobile app for the notification. I have already created videos on how to use the surveys, forms, chat widget, sales funnel. So if you want to watch these videos, I'll give you the link in the description box. So let's see how we can create website in GoHighLevel.
Do not forget to subscribe to Quick Tips YouTube channel. Watch new videos about website design, e-commerce websites, search engine optimization, social media marketing, WordPress tutorials, video editing tips and many more. Press the bell icon to get instant notification whenever we publish new videos.
So here I'm logged into the dashboard of the GoHighLevel services and I'm using one demo sub account to show you how you can create a website using the GoHighLevel services. In the left hand panel, you will see the option sites. Click on sites. Now under sites, you will see different options: funnel, websites, blogs, WordPress, client portal, forms, surveys, chat widget. So I have already published videos on how to create funnels, forms, surveys and chat widget. I'll give you the link in the description box if you want to watch these videos. So let's go to websites and we are going to create a new website. So click on new website. Now you can create website from the scratch. In this video, I'm going to use templates because there are hundreds of pre-designed templates that you can use to create the professional website for your clients. Let's select from templates and click on continue. You will see the pre-designed templates here. In the left hand side, you will see categories of these templates, types of templates such as about, bio, blogs, checkout, consultation, event, free resources and downloads. So you can select the type of the website that you want to design, or you can select from these categories. Let's see, if you want to create a beauty and fashion, you can select this category and you will see different options here and you will see different templates for this particular category. If you want to see how does this look, you can click on it and it will show you the preview of the website. Here you will see the prerequisite for this template. So some templates will need the integration of the calendar or the contact forms or the surveys. You may need to create surveys and calendars. Even if you do not have it ready, you can add the surveys and calendars later. So this is how it will look. We have got the home page, about us, services. So these are the services, our team, portfolio, contact us. These are the pages for this particular template. You can customize these templates. It is very easy to customize the templates. Let's go back and let's see what else we have here. Let's go to automotive. And these are the templates for the automobile sector, automotive services, electric vehicle services. Let's see this one, car care center. So I'm going to select this one. And this one says it needs calendar integration. So let's try this one. We will see how does this work. This is the layout of the template. You have the logo, home, services, blogs, and schedule a consultation, which will go to the appointment booking, I guess. So if I click on it, it will go to the appointment booking system. All right, so let's try using this one. Click on continue and check this box. Click get this template. So we are going to get this template now. It will take a minute or two. All right, if you do not see any movement, you can simply refresh this page. And you will see the website is ready, and it shows there are 5 pages, and this is the name of the website. Here you can see you can edit, clone, move to a folder, so you can create different folders and move this to the folder. You can share and you can delete it. So I'm going to click on it. Now these are the 5 pages: home, services, blogs, book a call, and thank you page. Let's go to settings, and it shows car care center. This is the name of the website. If you want to change it, you can change the name. So I'm going to change it to car repair services. In order to publish this website, or in order to show this website, you need to add a domain to this sub account. I already have one subdomain linked to this sub account, so I'm going to use that one. If you do not have any domain linked, you can add the domain from here. So I'll show you how does this work. Click on add or edit domain. Open it in a new window. Here you can see that I have one subdomain linked into this sub account. If you want to add a domain, you can click on this add new domain. Now here you will see some instructions. If you want to add a subdomain, if you want to link this sub account with a subdomain just like what I have here, then you need to create a CNAME record, and you need to point the CNAME record to this particular URL. So you need to add this URL for the CNAME record of your domain. Now if you want to point the domain, the actual domain, not the subdomain, then you need to add a record, and which will be pointing to this IP address. Once done, you can add the subdomain or the domain here and click on add. All right, and that will add the domain or the subdomain to the record. Let's go back. So as I said, I have one subdomain linked into this sub account. This is the subdomain, and the website will be shown at this path. So this will be the URL of the website. So if you want to change it, you can change it. So I'm going to keep it as it is. This is the subdomain that I have added. This is the name. If you want to add tracking, you can add the tracking code here. If you have any tracking code for the body, you can add the tracking code here. If you want to add the chat widget on your new website, you need to enable this one. I have a video published on chat widget. I'll give you the link in the description box if you want to see how does this work. So for this website, I'm going to enable the chat widget. So click on enable and click save. So these are the basic settings of the website. All right, now let's see if the website is showing at this URL. Let's go to settings. This is the URL and this is the path. So let me try it. This is the subdomain and the URL that I have, and next to that I'm going to add the path. Let's enter it. Now if you have added the domain, then it will show the website directly on that domain. As of now, I have the subdomain, so it is showing the website on the subdomain. So this is the website that we have created, and you will see the chat widget is also showing on the website. So let's go back and let's go to pages. Now if you want to edit any one of these pages, you can simply go to that page and click on edit, open in a new tab. Now let's see this page. We have one schedule a consultation. Click on it. This is the page for the appointment booking, and right now it does not show any calendar because we have not added any booking calendar on our sub account. So we need to add a calendar, or instead of calendar we can use the contact form also. So let's go back and let's see how we can edit the home page. So click on edit and go to edit in a new tab. Alright, so this is the page where you can edit the home page of your website. Now at the top you will see the layout. This is for the desktop. If you click on mobile, this is how it will look on the mobile devices. Here you will see settings, SEO metadata. If you want to add the title, description, or the keywords for the SEO purpose, you can add the title and description here. So I'm going to add the title. Same for the description. Whatever title you want to add, you can add the title. So this is just the dummy title and description that I have added. Click on update metadata. Now the next option is tracking code. So if you want to add any tracking code such as analytics code, then you can add the tracking code here. This is for the footer code. If you have any particular code that you want to add on the body section of the page, you can add the code here. The next section will be custom CSS. You can add custom CSS background. This is for the entire page background. If I want to change it, I can change it from here. Right now you can see the background is white color. If I change it to this one, you will see the change. So this is how you can change the background of the entire website. So I'm going to keep this one. So let's use this new background. The next option will be typography. And from here you can select the font type or the font style. This is the text color and this is the link color. So if you add link to any part of the text, it will show this color. All right, let's close it. Now the next option is pop-up. If you want to create a pop-up, you can create a pop-up and you can add a button on the page. Whenever someone clicks on the button, it will open the pop-up. So if you want to add pop-up, you can add the pop-up. So I'm going to add one. Now let's customize the pop-up. I'm going to click on the add row and it will be single column, and then add element, headline. So let's, for the headline, we can say that contact us now. So we will add a contact form here. Click on the plus sign. So when you click on plus sign, you will see all these elements that you can add on your web page. Text, form, blog, media, custom blogs. All these elements can be added to your website. So I'm going to select a form. Click on form, drag it and drop it below the title. And it will ask you to select a form. I already have some forms created and I have already published a video on how to create a form. If you want to know how to create, I'll give you the link in the description box. You can watch that video. So I'm going to select this contact form and it will show the contact form on the pop-up. All right, so we are going to use this contact form. And if you want to customize the contact form, in the left hand panel, you will see the customization option. So I'm going to click on open pop-up settings. So when you click on pop-up settings, you will see all the pop-up settings here. This is the background color. If you want to change the background color, you can change the background color. Now, if you want to disable the pop-up, you can simply disable it from here. All right, so I'm going to keep it as it is. So these are the settings for the pop-up. Now here you will see a section. So if you want to add a new section, you can click on a section and from here you can add a new section. So let's see, this is one of the section, the top banner. Then we have another section where we have title, some description, and this image and the button. And these are the services. So these are different sections on your website. So if you want to add a new section, you can click on this add section. So let's see, if I click on add section, it will give you an option full width, wide, medium, small. So I'm going to select, let's say, full width. So it will add the section here at the bottom. So you can change the position. If you want to change the position, it will go above this section, or you can just make it above this one. So you can change the position of this section. Inside this section, you can add rows, columns, and elements. So here you can see the plus sign to add the row. You can add the row with 1 column, 2 columns, 3 columns. let's select two columns. This is how you can add two columns inside the section. Now in these columns you can add different elements. So if I click on add element, these are the elements that you can add. Let's select, drag it and drop the heading here. If you want to add more elements, you can click on elements, add element, and from here you can add the element. Let's add image. Let's add some, let's say I want to add video. So I'm going to drag it and drop it here, and it will show the video here. And if you want to change the settings of video, you can select video settings. In the left hand side you will see the settings of this video: autoplay, controls, full width. If you have video on YouTube, you can show the video from YouTube, Vimeo, Wistia, custom embed HTML, hosted video. So let's say I'm going to select YouTube and I'm going to add YouTube a video URL here. So I have one video URL. I'm going to add the URL here and it will show the YouTube video at this place. All right, now in this column you can click on add element and you can add different element in this column. So let's say I want to add contact form. So I'm going to select the form and drag it and drop it here. Click on it and select the form that you want. So from here you can select the form and it will show the contact form at this location. Now again you can add new element. Let's say you want to add button, you can simply drag it and drop it here and you will see the button here. So I can click on it, and for the settings you can edit the settings from the left hand side panel. So this is the text. If you want to change it, you can change the text. These are the button actions: open, pop-up, website URL. If you want to use call button, you can simply select call, and here you can add your telephone number. So if someone clicks on it, it will dial the phone number from the mobile device. If you want to send SMS, you can select SMS and type in the phone number for the SMS. This is for the email address. If you want to link this button to some email address, you can select email address. So these are different options. If you want to redirect to some website URL, you can use website URL. So I'm going to select open pop-up. So when someone clicks on it, it is going to open the pop-up. So this is how you can add new section to the website. Now if you want to delete some parts of this layout, you can delete that also. So let's see, this is the section that I do not want. So I can select the entire section and from here I can delete the section. Now let's see, I do not want these two columns. So I can select these two columns. I can delete this one and then I can delete this one. So this is how you can delete a section from these layouts. See, these are the pre-designed templates. You do not need to make a lot of changes. You can simply replace the content and you can add your own content on these templates. If you want to change this title, you can add your own title here. Let's say I want to replace this title. So I'm going to click on it and I'm going to add my own title there. So this is the title. Now I do not want the description, so I can delete this description, and this is the button for the schedule consultation. So when someone clicks on it, it will go to the page book a call. You will see go to page book a call. So this is the page where it will go. So I'm going to keep it as it is. Now here you will see a background image. If you want to change it, you can simply select the section. This is the background image for the section. So select the section and go to settings. So these are the settings. This is the background color and it shows that it is using a background image. So if I check the URL here, so this is the image used in the background here. If you want to change this image, if you want to add your own image, you can simply click on this button and from here you can add your own image. You can click on upload file and select your image and upload the image. It will replace the image. So let's go back. Now if you want to change title, simply you need to click on it and change it. This is the description, you can change it. Again, if you want to change the background image from here, you can simply select that section and you will see the image here. So click on this button and upload your own image. You can change the color settings also. Now these are the services on the website. So if I click on service 1, I can change the name of this service. Let's change this one to car diagnostic. So this is the name of this particular service. and this is the short description. If you want to add the short description, you can add the short description here just like this. If you want to copy and paste, you will see the option here, clone. You can copy paste the same element. If you want to copy paste the entire section, you can select that entire section, and here you will see the clone option. You can clone the same entire section and you can duplicate it. Content, I'm going to delete this content. Same for this one. All right, now for the second service, we are going to change the name. All right, so for this particular website, I have these 4 services. So you can customize these services according to the requirement of your client or according to the requirement of your business. So let's see, this is right now left aligned. So if I click on it, you will see the option alignment. For the alignment, so I'm going to center align it. Same for the other services. All right, now if I click on read more, it should go to the services option. So this is the services page. When I click on read more, this is the button. Let's see, it is going to nothing. It is going to the page that is book a call. So right now when someone clicks on it, it is going to the book a call page, that is the schedule a consultation page. If you want to change it, you can change it. What you can do, you can create separate pages for these services. Let's say you have car diagnostic service, so you can create a new service page for this particular service. Let me show you. You can go back to the website and you can add new page. So here you will see the option add new page. Click on add new page and let's see, and add the name car diagnostic, and path will be, let's say, car dash diagnostic. So this will be the URL, and import from the ClickFunnels option. If you want to import from the ClickFunnels, you can import it from the ClickFunnels. All right, now let's click on create a new page, and you will see the new page is created. Now if you want to create from the blank, you can create from the blank. If you want to use the existing layout, you can click on existing layout from the website. This is the website that we have, and I want to use, let's say, this page, services page, and click on import. So what it is going to do, it is going to import the content from the services page, and it will add that content to this car diagnostic page. And later you can go to this page and you can edit this page to add your own content. So this is how you can edit these pages, and you can add multiple pages to your website. Now let's go back. Let's see, if I click on schedule a consultation here, it is going to this page. I want to change this one to, let's say, I want to open pop-up. So this is going to open a pop-up. All right, now you can customize these sections. You can add your own section here. These are the testimonials. You can add your own testimonials here. If you do not want this section, you can simply select this section and delete it from here. And these are the contact details. So this is the location name. So what it is going to do, it is going to import the location email address. So that means it is going to import the email address of this sub account, the address as well as the phone number from the sub account itself. If I go here, go down, you will see this is the email. Right now I do not have any email address added to this sub account, so it is not going to show it here. However, it has pulled up the phone number from the sub account. Okay, let's go back. This is the footer. Okay, now you can customize this footer, and this footer will remain same for the entire website. Let's say I do not want this content, I can delete it. Here you can add your Facebook link. You just need to, right now it shows open pop-up, you can change it to website URL, and you can add your Facebook link, then the Instagram link and the Twitter link. So these are the pages. It goes to service page, it goes to blogs page, and this goes to schedule a consultation. Here you will see add logo here. So if you click on it, you can add your own logo. If you have a logo, you can upload the file. All right, so we have got the logo here. I'm going to double click on it, and you will see the new logo will be added here. This is the contact email, phone number, and the address. You can also replace this short code with your email address, so I'm going to change it. So you can add this manually, and let's do the same thing here. All right, so I've got the email address here. So this is how you can customize the header and footer also. Let's go to the top. We need to add the logo here, so I'm going to click on it, and this is the navigation menu actually. So in the navigation menu, you will see we have home, services, blogs. These are the three menu items that we have here, and after that we have a button. So these are the three menu items. Then we have a button, and right now it shows the logo. This is the logo. So if you do not want to show the logo, you can simply disable it and the logo will go away. Let's add a logo, and you can select your own logo. You can adjust the width and the height of the logo, and action if you want to go to the website URL. So when someone clicks on the logo, it will go to the home page of the website. Two columns in the header section. This is the first column in which we have the logo and the menu bar, and in the second column we have this schedule a consultation button. All right, let's save it. Let's go back to the website and let's refresh it. Let's go to home page. So here you will see the new logo. This is schedule a consultation. This is the navigation menu bar. You will see the updated title here. Here you will see the new services, and if I click on this button, it will open the pop-up. So this is the pop-up that we created. Now we need to add this pop-up in the automation. So if someone fills up the form, they should receive the email, SMS, and the notification. So we are going to create the automation for the contact form. Let's close it for now. Okay, here we did not add the video. Let's go back, and we will add the video URL here. Click on the video, and we need to add the URL here. Let's add the URL, and you will see the video here. Let's update it again. Let's save it. Let's go back, refresh it, and you will see the YouTube video here. And these are the contact details. So if you need any help regarding the website building on GoHighLevel services, you can contact me anytime on this WhatsApp number. Right now we have a map here. If you want to change the settings of the map, you can click on the map, and here you will see the option to enter the address for the map. Open search box, click on it, and here you can enter the location or the address of your business, and it will show the map of your business here. All right, now let's go to the next page. That will be book a call. So I'm going to click on edit, open in a new tab. All right, so we are on the schedule a consultation page, and here it says that we do not have any calendar yet. So in this template, we need to add a calendar for the booking system. So instead of calendar, you can add the contact form also, and you can use that contact form for the automation. If you want to add calendar for the booking system, you can create a calendar and add the calendar for the booking system. So now I'm going to add a contact form here. So let's delete this one. So we have deleted the calendar. Click on add element, add title. For the title, I'm going to add, click on element again, add element, and select form, drag it and drop it here. Select the form that we have already created, and it will show the contact form here. If you want to customize the layout, right now it shows there is a lot of spacing at the top. So I can click on the settings for this section, and at the top we have 200 pixel spacing. I'm going to change it to 20 pixel, and at the bottom we have 200. I'm going to change it to 20 pixel. So this one will look good. So this is how you can customize the spacing. You can adjust the padding. Now we have the contact form here. Let's save it. All right, so it needs SEO metadata. Let's add the title. Let's add the description, update the metadata. Let's go to the website and refresh this page. Go to the page here and you will see the new contact form on this page, and we have got the chat widget at the bottom. Now let's see how we can use the automation for the contact form. Let's go to the dashboard of the HighLevel and go to automation. I have already created the automation for the contact form. So this is the automation, click on it. So basically what you are going to do, you're going to add the contact form for the automation. We are going to create a workflow there in which we are going to send some messages to the client as well as the owner. So the trigger point will be the form submitted. So when someone fills up the form, it is going to trigger this workflow, and the option is form is car repair. So this is the name of the contact form that we have used on this website, car repair. So when someone fills up this form, it is going to trigger this workflow, and in the workflow first it is going to assign a tag. The tag will be, let's say, contact form. So this will be the tag given to the contact form. After that, it is going to send SMS to the visitor who has filled up the form, and this will be the content of the SMS. Thank you for contacting our business. One of our representatives will contact you very soon. So you can modify this message and you can add your own content here. Then it is going to send an email to the customer. This will be the name from email. Contact request is the subject. You can change the subject, and this will be the content of the email. Welcome to our business. We are excited to have you on board, and we have received your request for our services. One of our representatives will contact you very soon, and these are the contact details. So you can customize the email. After that, it is going to wait for 1 minute. I have added a 1 minute delay here, and it will send a voicemail to the customer. Let me show you the voicemail here.
Thank you for contacting Perm Freelance. One of our representatives will contact you very soon.
So this voicemail will be sent to the customer, and it is going to assign this contact lead to one of your users on your sub account. So we are going to assign a user for this contact lead, and it will send an internal notification to the user. The GoHighLevel services will give you an app. The business owner or the owner of the sub account can install the app on their mobile devices, and you will start receiving the internal notification on your app. So this is the internal notification for the app. So if you have installed the app, it is going to send you this notification that new visitor has filled up the form. Please contact the new visitor. So you will get notification as soon as someone fills up the form. The next one will be add a task. So it is going to add a task for the user. Someone has filled up the form and call the visitor. After that, I have added a time delay of 2 minutes. It is not necessary to add the time delay. If you do not want it, you can delete that one. After that, we have call function. Now what it is going to do, it is going to call the owner of the sub account, and it is going to whisper, you have got a new lead from this website. This is the visitor name. Press any key on your phone to call the visitor now. So as soon as the owner press any key on the mobile device, it is going to connect the owner or the user to the visitor who has filled up the form. So this is the automated system. And after that, we have got opportunity created. So I have created a pipeline where we have created different stages of the visitor, such as new lead, hot lead, appointment requested, appointment confirmed, services sold. So it will go through this pipeline. So this is the automation that I have created. Let's go back and let me show you the dashboard. On the dashboard, it will show the opportunities. If someone fills up the form, it will show the open lead, closed lead, pipeline value, conversion rate, how many leads are converted into actual sales. If I go to opportunities, it will show you the pipeline. So if someone fills up the form, it will be added to the new lead. You can contact the customer. You can discuss with the customer. If you think that the lead is positive, then you can move the lead from new lead to hot lead. After that, you can request for the appointment and you can confirm the appointment. And once the service is sold, you can mark it as sold and you can add the value. At the end, you will see how many leads are converted on the dashboard. So this is how you can use the website builder feature in GoHighLevel services, and you can sell these services to your clients. You can offer them the website, as well as you can offer them landing pages, contact form, chat widget, sales funnel, surveys in a package. So that's it for now. See you in the next video.
Do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get more quick tips about online softwares and tools. If you have any questions, please leave us message in comments section. And press the like button if you like the video. Thanks for watching Quick Tips.